Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the surface indicator of a Mercedes GLB 2021 model. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the indicator that indicates that the surface is due or overdue, like this. Surface A is overdue by 7,000 kilometers. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 300 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. It's a GLB 2021. We're gonna use the steering wheel. First of all, the ignition must be off. Turn the ignition off. Then tap the start-stop button once. Only once. And let the system start like this. Yes, then we have to have the odometer over here, so if it's not on the odometer, use this area to go to the trip. This, once you are here, we're gonna use two buttons on the steering wheel to enter the secret menu of the service indicator. It's this button and that button. We're gonna use this button first and then that button, and keep pressing both of the buttons for about 3 seconds. So 1, 2, and keep pressing it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and you saw something blinking over here, and that's when you know it is it has entered the menu. Then press the return button. Scroll to the left, and as you can see, the workshop menu has appeared over here. This wasn't visible before we hit these two buttons. Once you're there, enter it by this. Scroll down to Assist Plus. Switch on ignition, so we have to press the ignition on. Yes, wait for it. Press this area away by pressing the menu button. Once you are here, go to full surface, scroll down, full surface, confirm surface, use the oil grade, for example this one, surface carried out, scroll down to yes. You just scroll down to confirm again. Confirm, and once you have confirmed this, you can check it by going back, press the ignition on, and you'll see that the service indicator over here doesn't appear anymore. And when we look, we're going to see that the workshop area is also disappeared. So once again, to enter the menu, trip, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 seconds, let go, press it, scroll to the left, and as you can see, the workshop indicator appears and the menu appears. That was it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.